Okay, so as part of our work associated with the Disabled Angling Association, today we've got the floating pontoon going into the fishery. That'll complement the existing wheelie boat that we've got. It'll act as a docking station, make it more user friendly, and people will also be able to fish off it.
My name is Terry Mosley. I'm the president of the Disabled Angling Association. Today we're over in Patshull Park fishery on a glorious day. We're doing inclusive fishery to bring in more disabled people around the country. Bespoke design with the Pontoon&Dock company from Telford. And what we want to try and do is get more disabled people to come out and enjoy the open air and use it as a therapeutic means of recovery. Or introduce children with disabilities into angling. And we couldn't choose a better company to work with, a better fishery to work with, and the charities that the partnership actually works. So it's a brilliant piece of equipment for us and a new venture for disability as well.